Hi friends, welcome to Sketchware Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link web page to a button. Today most of the Android applications have a separate page called About Us section. In the About Us section they have something features like follow us on Google, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And this feature is very handy, and I'll show you how to do that in Sketchware. And to do that, open the app Sketchware and start with a new project, and I'm going to name it as dev, and I'm placing a text view here, simply for placing some information to read the user. Follow us on, and 30sp I'll set it to bold, and layout gravity to center horizontal, center vertical, gravity to center horizontal, center vertical. That's it. As you can see, it's now looking good, and I'm going to place 1 2 3 buttons, and now I'm going to modify the properties of it, and I'm going to need 75 dp height, and I'll rename it as YouTube bold. That's it. Yeah, it's better that it hasn't set center. Yes, it's now looking good. It's also looking good when I'll change the text color to white and set the background color to red. Yes. Okay. Now it's okay, and now I'm going to take this and layout gravity to center horizontal, center vertical, gravity center horizontal, center vertical, background color to blue, 30sp. I'll rename it as one of the most popular social website, Facebook. That's it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change the color. Yes, Facebook, right. And the other one is for YouTube, Facebook, and what else? Twitter. What I would say, Twitter is okay. Twitter 25sp white, bold, and gravity center horizontal vertical, gravity center horizontal vertical, background color to cyan. That's it, Twitter. And that's it for layout. And you can also place some other text views to display some content to the user. For example, what are the developers of the app and what are the contributions made by the other developers. You can also mention it here, and this is only simple page I'll show you. And let's go to the logic section, and on activity create you don't need anything, but for linking website to a button you have to add a component called intent and name it as anything you want. I'm going to name it as intent itself, and as you can see, button 1 is YouTube and button 2 is Facebook and button 3 is Twitter. And when button 1 is clicked, you have to go to the component section and go to intent set action. Here you have to select set action as set action view. Remember guys, when we are creating a dial application, we use these two intent actions, that is action dial and action call. Now we are going to use this action view, and I'm going to use this intent, and now I'm going to set the data. As you can see here, action view, the URL type, and here it must start with HTTP protocol, otherwise it must not recognize that it has a, what I mean to say, URL. So I'm going to name it as HTTPS. As button 1 is YouTube, I'm going to write the URL now. Simply write www.youtube.com slash, for example, what I mean to say, the famous channel of YouTube is, as you can know, Vivo. Vivo is a very famous YouTube channel for music and entertainment, and if he makes an app and want users to follow him, he has to write the URL like this. For example, in my case, my channel name is Sketchware Tutorials. I'm going to name it as Sketchware, uh, and there is space for my website, so I'm going to use %20. Where is it, percentage, or otherwise I'll simply make it like that, Sketch Tutorials, sorry, like that. Only the channel name only changes, but the youtube.com cannot changes. Let me change it to Vivo itself, because there are some server differences between that. And don't forget to start activity. Many of the users asking me that the intent action is not performed, and most of the users are forgetting about this activity. And that's it for YouTube. And what is button to Facebook? Similarly, we can also place that for Facebook also. Simply set action as view, and intent and set data, and for it https dot slash slash www.facebook.com slash your username. For example, I'm going to name it as user. That's it. Here you have to enter your username. The users have to follow your username, so I'm going to use it as user. Here you can write your username, and when button 3 is clicked, that is Twitter. Simply same action, simply facebook.com replaces with twitter.com, and slash your Twitter username. Action view, https dot slash slash www.twitter.com slash something username. Okay, save. Let us save this project. That's it, and let's see it's running or not. Yes, the app is installing, and the app is installed. And as you can see here, follow us on. If I press YouTube, then it asks me what you want to open with. For example, if I want to open it with YouTube or Chrome, I want to open it with Chrome for now. And as you can see here, what is the URL address you entered there is here, and as you can see here, it directly migrates to us the Vivo channel. It's very famous YouTube channel. See the subscribers count there. It's a very famous YouTube channel. And if I press facebook.com, then it asks me to log in, uh, so you have to log in, and the same action has to be performed. Try it with your luck, and same thing, twitter.com also username. I think I already log in it. So that page doesn't exist because why the page doesn't exist? Because the username is not a. So I have to write a valid username or a valid Twitter name. Here I use username for simply for demonstrating also only. So if you place your username, then it definitely do it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. More amazing videos are coming soon. Okay, bye.